My Maytag washer is making a clunking/knocking noise during agitation.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
MVWB 880BW 02 to 3 years P.D. old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on what the issue is.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Like.
One moment while I get some information for you. Hello and thanks for using this service. If you are a JA member, I would like to personally thank you and welcome you back. I am Appliance Guru, an extremely experienced tech on the site, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. Note it takes time for me to type research and add links, so please wait for me to respond back. I can only do this so fast. Secondly, I do not know your skill level, so please try and let me know if I am going beyond your knowledge or comfort zone. Thanks. How loud is it knocking?
Loud enough to raise concern. I has not always done this. When it was new, it was basically silent, with only the whirring of the electric motor audible while changing direction in agitation mode. My skill level is above average. I can rebuild automobile and motorcycle engines with no trouble. Just need a little direction on what this most likely is. I've done some research online and others have reported this same issue. I'm currently away from home. I travel for work, and noticed this last weekend when I was home doing laundry. Usually, my wife does laundry, but it just so happened that she was unavailable and I did it myself. She wouldn't notice it, so I don't really know how long it's been going on. I am looking for things to check, troubleshooting techniques, known reported issues of similar nature.
The issue is either the actuator mechanism that engages spin, or check the stator hub to see if it is loose or any signs of leaking. If you have any other questions, just post back to me here anytime.
Do you have any exploded view diagrams for this unit?
Sure, here you go. Click here.
I'll check this out this weekend when I return home. This will stay open for further questions should there be any. Do I have to rate a 5-star right now to be able to ask follow-up questions? At the moment, I don't have enough data to make a rating decision. I will after I look into what you suggested though, but that won't be until Saturday 11/5. Does that make sense? I have no trouble paying you. I've used this service before and have been satisfied each time.
That would be fine, but the question may time out on my end.
Is there a legend that goes along with the exploded view that identifies the numbered components?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.